Bonjour, bienvenue. Hello, my beautiful souls in Poland. I hope you have a great Monday. You are watching Atilarot. Thank you for being with me this morning as well. I was thinking, as you see, the cards are done. The camera was turned off during the counting. So I've got the 17 cards already. If life happen, we can move on. No worry. So, um, I was thinking that in the last few days we got a pretty hard, pretty powerful energies to pick up for our self-developing process. And I was thinking that maybe in the next few days, maybe we got something smaller steps, or we continue this battle and we go just push everything and we go straight ahead to the wall with these energies. What we will see. Okay, so I counted the cards already. This is the 17th card. I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. These actions help to the channel to come up in YouTube algorithm and bring up to others this video who need help. You can share this video with your friends who you know that they are in a mess, or they are not in a good state. In this way you can help them. I can help them. Yeah, you can help them. Whatever is this card, it will be on my Instagram account, so you can read the full description and you can pick up the informations, the energies of the description, what you think, you feel that you can use today. Okay, let's dive into it. What is the energy that my lovely color of Aptaki in Poland should use in order to have a successful day? I can't believe it. Two of Swords reversed. Two of Swords reversed. Small steps, yeah. We switch to small steps. Small steps, we switch to small steps because Two of Swords reversed. Normally, Two of Swords, not reversed, but in this position, normal position, upward, I think it's called upward position. It means that you should take your time, place, and get your peace within you. As you see, the guy is wearing a sunglasses, which means he doesn't look out. He's looking the peace inside. Now we have reversed. Means maybe you don't know what does it mean peace. It could happen. I don't know your life, but it could happen that you think that you know what is the peace when there is no war, and that's all. But otherwise, in your inner peace, you don't know your inner peace. And this card is asking right now to look around in your environment, look outside. What is in your environment? What could bring you peace when you are peaceful, no words inside, no harmful thoughts, you're quiet, you feel good, you are in harmony, let's say. So the card asking you to take a look around in your environment. It could be an activity, what you are doing when you turn off fully. The card is asking you to take this activity, make it, remember what is the feeling, memorize the feeling in your brain, memorize what is the feeling which brings you harmony, and next time, when you should be in harmony, then take out this memory. This is the feeling when I'm in harmony. This is the feeling when I'm in harmony. And you bring out this harmony feeling and learning how you can take the different mental state, because this is a mental state, swords mental state, mind work. In the second Safira is Chokhmah, so it's wisdom. And then Tree of Life Kabbalah, based on Kabbalah. And I think the God name is Masare as well, so it's working. Yes, and everything happening in your head as well. God name it shows. So memorize what is the activity which brings you harmony. Next time when you're in a something shitty situation, whatever, I don't know, you're waiting for the bus, you're in a queue in a grocery store, whatever, just take out this feeling in harmony and make it a I'm in balance, I'm in harmony. And then you can learn how to bring out the different mental states, mind states that which brings you more peacefully life, hopefully. Okay, so right today should pick up the energy. Take a look around. What is the activity? What you are doing? Bring you harmony. Memorize it, and next time you just take it out from your memory. This is the harmony feeling. What I have. This is the harmony feeling. How I feel when I have harmony. C'est facile, I would say. C'est facile. Uh, Thank you for being with me this morning. I wish you a happy and peaceful Monday. Belle journée. Merci. Au revoir. À demain.